Hey, let's go over how to draw Mjolnir versus Stormbreaker. So Mjolnir is Thor's hammer, and Stormbreaker is Thor's new axe, okay? So it's going to be step by step, completely for beginners, and it's going to be very short, so stay all the way through the whole lesson, and you're going to get the most learning for it, okay? So let's do Mjolnir on this side first, all right? So first thing I'm going to do when we're going over this is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a straight line over here for kind of the top of Mjolnir. Line down at the side here. Line it down at the side here. Straight line down. Line underneath over here, kind of angled in as well. And I'm going to put another straight line going that direction. Like so. Over here, another line. Up over here. Down, 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 down. Angle up, across, angle out there. Cool, cool. Go to the top, up, across, down. For kind of the top of that hammer. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a straight line down and over here as well. If you've seen Thor Love and Thunder, let me know if you saw it. Curve over here, line over here. Let's go over here in like a V shape, kind of along the handle. Like so. And maybe like a line over here for this side of the hammer. This hammer also has a kind of tag on it, like the thing to hold, I forget what it's called, around your wrist, you know, so it doesn't fall. So you can kind of throw that in there as well, and kind of maybe fill in the bottom of that. Nothing too wild. It's, you know, pretty decent. So that's Mjolnir, okay? There's a couple of things you can add to him if you want. You can add maybe like a line here and a line here. So, I mean, that's just, and you can kind of, you know, you can draw maybe another one over here for the insignia. It's kind of really up to you. It's totally up to you. But yeah, it's real simple. And like I said, so let's keep going, okay? Let's go over here to Stormbreaker now. Before anything else, if you like learning how to draw things from Marvel, you like learning how to draw dinosaurs or Godzilla or anything like that, absolutely hit that subscribe button. I post 3 beginner drawing lessons every single day. Absolutely do that right now if you're interested. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. So let's go to the axe. The axe is a little bit bigger here on the page. So I would say as far as the axe goes, I'm going to start over here and I'm going to pull up at an angle. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a curve up, in. All right. And it was put together by the tree, like, I think it's like a tree, like Groot, right? So it's going to be over here. We're going to have a cross over here, and this is going to go down like the tree root. Like so. Up over here, down, curve, curve, and up over here. Like so. I'm gonna find over here, same area of that axe. I guess kind of held together by that tree root. And I'm gonna pull down, 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 down. Straight line across, kind of where the handle's starting. Alrighty. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line on this side. Go over here on this side. Out. Down a little bit. Down some more. Angle in here. And pull up. Over here. Down. angle. Over here, straight across, and then pulling up and down. Right on. Cool, cool. Over here, down, kind of that tree root in the back. This weapon's really cool, by the way. I really like it. I grown to like it. Before I was kind of like, you know, prefer the axe, but this is pretty cool. All right, gonna go down here now, and I'm gonna pull long down, curved a little bit. Gonna go over here now, pull down, back a little bit, flat line over here, curve, 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 line, 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 right on. And I'm gonna pull a line down here. Curve out here, line over here, line over here, line over here, in. And there's an extra design you can throw in here, and it's kind of like it pulls in, out over here. You don't have to do that, but I mean, you can definitely do that, and it would help quite a bit. And lastly, what I want to do is I actually want to throw a thicker line around the kind of around the edge of kind of both. You know, my marker is kind of dry though, so I'm gonna go slow. If you're using this kind of marker, definitely put a fan on or something, or do it outside, or do it like maybe in a large area so you're not inhaling this marker. This marker is kind of not good. The Sharpie's not good for you. But I have a fan on literally right now, so kind of like keep that stuff in mind, right? That when you do this, you want to keep safe. You don't want to inhale, you know, any kind of bizarre chemicals from this thing. And over here, just kind of continuing to kind of keep that going there. And again, I'm just putting like a thick line on the outer side of these. Well, mostly, yeah, both. Let me do this one too. Thank you so much. Hit that like button if you can. That really helps me out. It helps the channel out. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please do me a favor, one of two things. Either you donate to the channel or share the video somewhere. Where you share the video does a lot. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and stay positive. Okay, artists? Talk to you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.